Today it's a pretty exciting day. We have several high school student leaders that have been trained to teach about energy, and then we also have several local elementary schools that have brought their students here today, and it's the high school students that are teaching the elementary students.
We get to teach kids about energy and learn about conservation and just really spread knowledge about things that I would not have normally known about.
Take a picture of your face using the thermal imaging camera.
We show kids like how much heat can be lost through things.
And see how the nose is kind of cool?
We also have a thermal energy gun which has a laser, and the kids love it, and we point it at different things and see how hot things are.
I've actually watched the transformation of my students go from students interested in energy to energy leaders. We are doing exploration stations next. They're going to be doing some things with some snap circuits and teaching kids about circuitry.
Then don't we need a fan?
It's all hands-on. It's very engaging, but it's a very creative, innovative way for students to learn.
I'm just really thrilled to be part of this program over a long period of time because I've gotten to see the growth and leadership of my students. It's been great to be able to follow them. You don't always get to follow students through to the high school.
Energy is not boring. There's a lot of things that we can do to conserve energy and to just make sure that we're using it more efficiently.
Wright State has been a wonderful partner this past year. We've been able to participate in their teacher professional development programs they have. And then we expanded our partnership to include bringing our high school students here, which we did in February. Many of them are already taking courses at Wright State. It just gets their feet on the ground of a campus. They could be the next engineers. They could be the ones out there trying to understand what might be alternative energy sources that we have yet even to learn or harness. It's very exciting for them.
Right, which is right here. So this captures